Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth Weaver and this is my website. The main purpose of my website is to increase compensation for Idaho K-12 teachers. So I chose to call my organization TeacherGuardians. So this is my introduction, and I included a button to sign the petition right after it so that if people don't have time to go read the whole web page, they can get the gist of what the cause is and can jump straight to signing the petition. My three boxes in the middle go into more detail about the issue, our solution, and why it matters. In the solution section here, I break down the details of where the money would come from to increase Idaho K-12 teachers' salaries. My last section here is the call to action, where I explain why they should sign the petition as well as another button to take them to the petition. So my target audience in making this website is the parents of K-12 students in Idaho. So I wanted to keep the website simple and relaxed feeling, and so I chose blue as the main color because of its relaxing qualities. And the blue and red color scheme also helps promote the idea of a school setting because they are primary colors, which are often used in children's education, toys, clothes, anything for children. So I also chose to go with a sans serif font to help create a clean, modern look so that parents would feel that their kids were getting a modern, up-to-date professional education and that teachers taught in that way and deserved a higher salary. So one of the biggest things I've learned while making this website is the importance of making a pretty polished mock-up beforehand. It would have been so much harder if I was trying to build this website without having a mock-up to build off of. Having a mock-up just helped me to see the structure I would need for my HTML and CSS before I even started. One of the things that I struggled with and was never able to quite perfect is here in the mobile version. I wasn't quite able to get this button to line up with everything else in this box. And so I tried a few things and I couldn't figure it out, so I decided to just leave it. That was one of the things I struggled most with. Another thing I struggled with was honestly just trying to make my website update with the changes. I would make the changes in Firefox, but they wouldn't update to the live website. And so I had to clear my browser cache and transfer over my CSS file to CyberDuck several times to finally reflect the changes. But thankfully, it all worked out, and this has been a really cool experience to build a website strictly from code. And I think it's a good tool to have in my belt, and I think it will come in handy in the future. Thank you.